Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Path. Hemidesmus indicus or Indian Sarsaparilla, Anant Bel in Hindi, Nannari in Tamil or Naruneendi in Malayalam. It's a plant that's found in South Asia with woody and aromatic root. You can make different types of healthy drinks out of this. This is really good for those who are having joint pains and skin diseases. So first you have to soak this root in water for 1 to 2 hours. Now try to remove the white middle part from each root. It's really easy to remove from the soaked roots. Now you have to blend these roots, so take it into a blender. Now pulse it for 2 to 3 times and keep it aside. Now into a large pan add some water, 2 cardamom pods and sugar. And yes, I know that is a lot of sugar because we're gonna make a syrup out of this. And later you can mix soda or water with this to make it into a drink. Now add the crushed roots into it. And you have to boil this mixture for quite some time till it becomes slightly thick. Now as you can see, after a few minutes of boiling, the liquid has reduced. The liquid has slightly changed its consistency. Now turn off the flame. Once this liquid cools down, it will become thick. Now strain this mixture through a very fine sieve. And you can store this in an airtight container and keep it in room temperature. It will stay fresh for 2 to 3 months. Now let me show you how you can make a drink out of this. Here I've used some soaked basil seeds. Add some lemon juice and the liquid and add in some water or soda. Give it a mix and your refreshing summer drink is ready. This is so tasty, very refreshing, very healthy. So do try out this recipe. Normally this is called as Naruneendi Sarbath. You can also make milk sarbath out of this. So just keep adding lemon juice and instead of soda or water, add milk and mix it. So do try out this refreshing drink during this summer and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Check out the fruit coolers playlist from my channel to see amazing summer recipes. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo and wait for more summer recipes. Thank you.